Welcome to Puffer's Cannabis Cravings Cookbook for Beginners, where cannabis cuisine meets creativity. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or new to the world of infused edibles, this guide is packed with easy-to-follow recipes, perfect for anyone looking to elevate their culinary skills. With cannabis becoming more mainstream, there's no better time to dive into the art of infusing your favorite dishes with this versatile herb. From savory snacks to sweet treats and beverages, we've got you covered. Learn how to craft your own cannabis-infused oils, butters, and even honey to elevate your dishes. Imagine the bold flavors of garlic rosemary cannabis oil, or the subtle sweetness of infused honeycomb gracing your meals. This cookbook takes you through the essentials, ensuring your cooking is as flavorful as it is fun. Explore a variety of delicious snacks like cannabis-infused chips and dips or cheesy puffs, all while getting a taste of gourmet edibles from the comfort of your own kitchen. But the fun doesn't stop there. Indulge your sweet tooth with irresistible cookies, brownies, gummies, and chocolate truffles, all infused with just the right touch of cannabis for that perfect blend of flavor and relaxation. Feeling thirsty? Whip up refreshing cannabis-infused beverages, from iced tea and lemonade to rich hot chocolate and creamy smoothies. These drinks will not only quench your thirst, but also add a fun twist to your cannabis experience. For the more adventurous home cooks, Puffer's Cannabis Cravings also offers a range of infused main courses. Enjoy a tender steak, succulent shrimp, or even a flavorful vegetable stir-fry, all enhanced with the subtle, herbal notes of cannabis. And if you're a fan of baking, this guide has you covered. Master the art of cannabis-infused breads, muffins, pies, and more. Whether you're baking classic banana bread or whipping up a show-stopping chocolate tart, these recipes will have you creating delectable, infused baked goods in no time. What's inside? Cannabis-infused oils, butters, and basics. Master the building blocks of any great cannabis dish. Savory snacks, from pretzels with infused cheese dip to vegetable chips with infused hummus, snacking just got better. Sweet treats, delighting cookies, brownies, and candies infused with cannabis to satisfy your sweet cravings. Cannabis beverages, try teas, coffees, and even lemonade infused with a soothing touch of cannabis. Main courses,